Hey listeners, this is Mindful Talks podcast. Welcome to the third episode of hashtag Tech Set Go. So today, we are gonna give you a complete guide to NFT marketplace development. Starting with the popularity of online marketplaces for digital collectibles is increasing day by day. If you also want to enter the market, you need to develop a marketplace on your own. We are already aware of blockchain technology, different cryptocurrencies, and many people use various marketplaces to purchase or products. NFT is such a marketplace that works as a public blockchain platform. Although this platform is still not fully mature, its rising popularity is why developers and entrepreneurs create such a marketplace these days. If you're wondering how to develop an NFT marketplace app like OpenSea, listen to this podcast. We have covered everything that you should be knowing for you. So, right from the start, what is NFT Marketplace? It's a platform that enables you to preserve and trade NFT or non-fungible tokens easily. You can usually buy or auction these tokens at a fixed rate. You must have a crypto wallet to make transactions and store your tokens to use such a marketplace. OpenSea is a marketplace where you can buy or sell NFT artworks. An NFT marketplace allows users to build an account, upload digital artworks, and make sales. Generally, niche marketplaces are higher in demand than standard ones, as they offer all that clients may need, specialize in selling some online artworks, and contain a specific audience. Now the question stands that how does an NFT marketplace work? To use a marketplace, you should register and connect the crypto wallet to your account. Next, you need to follow some steps. The first is create an NFT and define all preferred parameters. Second is list your digital goods for sale and wait for the completion of the moderation. Third is buyers put their bids when auction occurs. The last is when auctions are complete, the marketplace transfers cryptocurrency and digital products. An NFT marketplace utilizes particular transaction protocols known as smart contracts. These protocols regulate the connections between the seller and the buyer. Moreover, these smart contracts contain identifying data associated with an NFT. Hence, the process of buying and selling tokens becomes user-friendly and convenient. If we will go in the deep, we will come to know that why are NFTs popular. So, OpenSea is one of the most influential and popular NFT art marketplaces. It functions similarly to the eBay app. This marketplace allows users to sell or buy crypto products and NFTs the same as an online platform. There are some statistical data that prove the popularity of NFT marketplaces like OpenSea. NFT's market cap value has been increasing fast and went tenfold between 2018 and 2022. In 2022, the worldwide turnover of NFT marketplace was $338.04 million. It means $338.04 million. You can use the NFTs for showcasing the possession of file formats like GIFs, MP3, JPEGs, and more. The selling price of an NFT asset named Every Day the First 5,000 Days was $69 million in an auction in 2021. It's a collection of artworks arranged in a collage. All these states and analytics prove that NFT marketplaces will be more in demand in the coming years, and introducing such a marketplace app makes sure that a profitable revenue streaming model in this competitive era. So we are going to discuss some top features to include in an NFT marketplace app. The first is storefront. A thriving NFT marketplace usually has a storefront that works like a dashboard. It provides users with all the data needed for an asset, like owners, bids, previews, and value history. The second feature is advanced token search. Consumers should get complete information on products they need urgently without effort. Your NFT Marketplace app should contain every product arranged with some features like, for example, art, images, music, videos, memes, so faster search boosts client satisfaction. The third point is filters. Using filters is highly beneficial. Moreover, it becomes easier to undergo a website. If you want to create an NFT marketplace platform for collectibles, add this feature. It lets users freely choose assets by category, payment method, due time, and listing status. The fourth is build and buy. A marketplace must allow customers to buy and provide NFTs recorded on the platform. Their offers should include a bid validity date and enable them to see information on those offers' current status. The fifth is create listings. Allow your consumers to create and send digital collectibles. Make sure they need minimum effort to do it. Please create a page where they can submit files typing in the detailed product description. Information like tags, title, and description is necessary. The sixth is wallet. Your NFT marketplace should contain a wallet that allows customers to store, send, and receive NFTs and cryptocurrencies as well. You can create your own wallet or integrate existing wallets like Formatic, Coinbase, or My Ether wallet into your platform. The seventh is listing status. Listing status is beneficial for the people who provide products and pass the product authentication process. It permits checking the position of the confirmation process. It helps execute collectible verification. The last but not the least, the eighth point is ratings. It's a feature for beginners who don't know where to begin. Select products quickly and how the system functions. Checking someone's rating helps users to understand whether the particular seller is trustworthy or not. On an NFT marketplace, participants can rate others and give feedback depending on their experience. It allows others to check the credibility of the user. Now the main question, how to build an NFT marketplace? There are many things to consider, like you need to choose your niche, you need to define your project's UI UX design, you need to move to front end development, use smart contracts, token generator, you need to test and then deploy. So there are many things to consider. So yes, if you are wondering how much it costs to create an NFT marketplace, then I would say that it totally depends. Like the cost and the duration depend on the performance of the marketplace. If you want to create a complex platform, you must invest more money developing the NFT art marketplace. If you use a ready-made solution, there is no assurance of the security and the product's dependency will be on the platform from where you receive the key. However, the cost will be lower in this scenario. On the other hand, you definitely need to hire a software development team who are experts in this field, who do it all for you so that you don't need to worry about the technicalities. And you know what? We have a solution for you for that as well. And that is, you just need to contact Mind Inventory team. If you want to visit the website, then definitely browse www.mindinventory.com today. So that's it for today. We will be definitely meeting to the next episode. Till then, keep advancing.